My name is Maurits Smits and I'm the R&D manager of Thermo Scientific in Eindhoven. In Thermo Scientific Eindhoven, we build and develop high-level transmission electron microscopes for customers in research, in life science and in the industry. In Thermo Scientific, we are building transmission electron microscopes, and our engineers need to ensure that all the different competences and material specifications are connected together in such a way that we can make high-end machines that are delivering atom information to our customers. To ensure in Thermo Scientific our innovation breakthroughs, our engineers need to be capable of understanding all those different elements, and therefore it is of utmost importance to share the information we have with suppliers, with the value chain, but also with other engineers to learn as much as possible from anybody who can help us to drive innovation to a breakthrough. The Manufacturing Technology Conference is an ultimate moment where engineers can share the knowledge together, learn from each other, and help our business to improve in the direction that we need to go. Please be invited.